Chinese active brand Peak Sport has debuted their DH3 line 3D printed shoes and other unreleased products of clothing line, which is a joint collaboration with the NBA Charlotte Hornets player Dwight Howard. What could be the first ever 3D printed basketball shoe? The 3D printed athletic shoes were presented at 2017 Peak China Tour collaboration with Dwight Howard press conference. DH3, the new generation of shoes, come in two iterations, a red bear, which are not 3D printed, and a white bear, which do feature 3D printed parts. This pair of boots has obviously higher performance than traditional ones, he said. I felt that the 3D printed soles and VAMP sidewalls enable a more comfortable wearing experience. Maybe, one day in the future, you'll see me wearing the 3D printed basketball boots, footwear designed based on R&D carried out by Peak, during an NBA competition. ADIDAS and Under Armour each released their version of shoes partly created with the SLS, selective laser sintering, 3D printing technology, respectively the FUTURECRAFT 3D and the Architect. So what's different about this latest release? Peak 3D printed the boots using SLS technology. Each shoe has a 3D printed lattice structure in the middle of the sole, and the VAMP sidewalls are also 3D printed using TPU material. This results in a flexible, lightweight shoe with a lot of room for design freedom and customization for each individual.